Jasmy, at the time of this recording, continues to see further breakdown moves after getting rejected within a Fibonacci key area of resistance between the 0.01652 and the 0.01568. And on today's update video, I want to discuss key areas that you need to pay attention to for the next coming hours, and also give you key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And here on the 4-hour chart, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside from the highs we made above the 0.02143, where you can see that I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas for the second wave highlighted on the charts using that yellow target area, an area within which we got rejected, starting a pullback in the formation of these wave 3, and using the fib extension, connecting it from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of the wave 2, I got my minimum target area for the wave 3 on the fib ratios 1:1, and that was above the 0.01523. And you can see that in that pullback we made a low below the 0.01306, almost fully hitting the fib level 1.618 that lies above the 0.01233. Then we started a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of these wave 4, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the second wave to the low of that wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, and that is between the 0.01646 and the 0.01565. And you can see that we saw a bounce rejecting on the fib level 0.382 in what I now expect to be the formation of these wave 5 to the downside. And the minimum target areas for the wave 5 can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that first wave, then extending the Fibonacci's to the low of the wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to as my next breakdown target area lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.01019 as my next target area. And for us to get a confirmation that we are going to continue seeing that further pullback to the downside, we need to see whether Jasmy is going to continue holding above this significant low we made in the formation of that wave 3 above the 0.01305, because the moment we lose that significant low, flipping it back into resistance, then we can easily see POL, that is Jasmy, giving us that pullback, fully maximizing our minimum target area above the 0.1 mark in the next coming hours. So that is all that I'm expecting here on the Jasmy chart on the short term, and those are my breakdown target areas. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.